we want to talk about big data. Big data is something that a lot of people talk about. However, we think there's a lot of opportunities to go deeper into what financial institutions, banks, and specifically we'll talk about two other companies that will be with me at EFMA. One of them has a lot of best practices in terms of big data. It's called Wonga, a UK-based company, and the head of business development from Wonga will be with me talking about big data and explaining what they do on it, or with it. And also we have another company, Israeli-based, that is also involved working in the UK market, EasyBob. Great company as well, dealing with lending to small businesses. In case of Wonga, they are dealing with consumer finance. In the case of EasyBob, mainly dealing with small businesses and online businesses lending. And with those companies, we'll try to describe what are we doing with big data, how are we using it on a very concrete basis, and maybe giving some ideas for the audience about how they can use it as well for their own business. Well, the credit landscape or the market has been tremendously difficult through this crisis that has been unprecedentedly seen. This crisis that we've seen in Europe, but also in many other markets, has changed the landscape a lot. Some players have disappeared. A lot of them had to adapt a lot. So clearly, consumer finance has been a challenge during these years. In the case of our companies and the one I'm leading, I would say it's been quite a great time because we've been able, in spite of the crisis, to able to grow in a very safe manner. So I think that's one of the things we discussed during the session as well, if we have time. The fact that there is a crisis out there is not a reason to miss targets or not get great results. It's just a matter of managing and adapting to what's happening. Well, in the case of Caixa, the main challenge has been to figure out the best way to grow. We've used the crisis to reinforce our market share in Spain, and right now CaixaBank is the leading, after this crisis, is the leading Spanish bank, leading retail Spanish bank in the Spanish market. Our market share is about 27%, which is the same market share that you would see from the next two competitors. Summing the two, of course, you will see that our market share is about the same as the next two competitors. So the crisis for us has been a way to grow and get a stronger penetration in the Spanish market. And with that, we think we are really well prepared to continue to grow and in a very profitable way in Spain.